Today I will share a relatively simple HD restoration workflow. First of all, blurry photos like this can be quickly repaired in high definition using this. What is used is a control native tile. Note: the advantage is that it is fast, simple, and suitable for running on ordinary computers. Generally speaking, if you use that, the more powerful Super HD restoration is too slow. It usually takes half an hour. This is quick, just 3 seconds. And the quality is pretty good. Then I will briefly introduce its working principle. The main thing here is to import a picture first. Then use basic scaling and high definition repair. Then redefine the image to 1024 for size. Because, well, it doesn't work if it exceeds 1024. Therefore, the resolution of raw images produced by AI is controlled at 1024. Then add a node of this control net tile. Control its appearance. Then submit it to the sample. This is a tile-based rendering, suitable for local operation. Of course, you can also use the ordinary V. Disadvantage is that it cuts you into small pieces for rendering. In this way, when the hardware is not good, it will run more perfectly. Release the computing power. Then this is mainly to control its similarity, because this is repaired in the form of drawings and drawings. So the lower the value here, the more similar it is to the original image. So the general situation here is 0.55. Here is the 4090 graphics card, so it's usually 3 seconds. If it is on an ordinary computer, maybe about 10 seconds. For example, this is not sharp enough. By the way, I forgot to introduce we use him to sample and draw pictures. Then by zooming in, this is sharpening. Of course, both of these are available. In general, add, such as this. No, then you increase it to 0.7. Let AI more room to play. In this way, you can easily achieve the effect of high-definition restoration. If it is other aspects, for example, other cars, etc. For example, I can just find a motorcycle here. There is no one like him who makes pictures out of pictures. It can be restored in high definition. The prompt word here is a motorcycle. This may be too clear to say. I'm looking for a more vague one. For example, a rather like blurry picture. Throw it over here. Then let him fix that. This simple statement, only, I simply won't open his preview. He actually just optimized this picture a little bit. I use X magnification. A very simple fix. So this is just the first step. In this way he will. Here is a comparison. If it is it's changed too much. Maybe we have to adjust that to 0.5 here. This is more suitable for high-definition restoration that is close to the original image. Of course, it can be lower. For example, this is close to the original picture. It's like this high-definition restoration effect. This value can be lower. For example, I only repaired 3. Of course, your repair level is too low. The more similar it is to the original image. This is usually adjusted to the best value. Data should be 0.55. Then if the change is too large, you can generate unlimited cards to achieve the effect you need. And you can increase this value. Mention 7 to make him sharper. This repair is perfect. Of course, you can also increase this value. There are many ways to render. Or I can increase its size later. And there is this model. Choose the right model. For example, if you change the model, the repair effect will be different. So you need to choose different models for different products. This is done using a row graph model. Unnecessary. This is mainly a simple fix, quick fix, using supers too slow, not suitable for normal use. A model like this will look different after he restores it, not the same. So each model has its own characteristics. There are many models here. You can use it according to the situation. Okay, I'm also sharing this on Duana Cloud. Duana Cloud seems to have been updated today for workflows to the latest version. All of these are available, so I'll open it directly, ready to use. These models do not need to be installed. Deployment, etc. are all here. Just use it directly. This repair method is currently the fastest and simplest way. No matter what it is, or anything else. Updated today, so if you don't want to deploy locally, just want to use it online, if you use directly, just click on My Mirror. If you want to install locally, you can click on My Notes. The first one is HJ Repair Tile. This is a simpler fix. Workflow screenshot. There are also workflow downloads. Right-click and save to download. This workflow. Then I also shared this high-definition restoration on this platform. But it doesn't support sharing yet. It is still in the testing phase. This website is currently free to use. Drawing pictures is also completely free. Set up a workflow. It's all free. When he opens, I will share my entire workflow. You can use it directly online. Then here I also converted this tile, which is blurry, to high definition. This workflow is exactly the same. I don't know about his model. Why is the effect he generates better than that one? This is not completely free. The advantage is that free to run, free deployment, and this model is provided for you. All nodes are also provided for you. You just double-click. He has all the mainstream models and nodes. The disadvantage is that you can only use the nodes he provides. Model cannot be customized. The biggest advantage is that it is free. Suitable for those who study. It is free anyway. No charge for this computing power. Currently, he does not charge any fees. And the image generation speed is also very fast. The effect is also perfect. The model is the same as that one, but I don't know why it seems to work better here. Maybe it's because it's a recompiled ComfyUI. The speed is also super fast. His speed should be. The current speed should be 3090 graphics card. Of course, this is only suitable for it's free after all. But there's nothing to say about it being free. This one is more suitable for professionals. You can deploy anything yourself. It is a cloud computer. You can open installation files and the like. Deploy it yourself. This one won't work. This is modular. You can only use the parts he provides and assemble them yourself. All these functions. Advantages free. Wait until he provides the sharing function. I will share all these functions. Everyone can go online. Use it like I am now. Drag the picture in and click Run to get the result. I have clearly categorized the prompt words. Generally, it is used a little bit. If you understand that, you will use it once you have a look. And it corresponds to my site. This website is currently in the testing phase, so it's very fast. The whole platform is so simple. Just do a workflow. Then click Run. Very simple. So I can't share it for now. It is the best free one for learning. Online ComfyUI platform. Okay, let's go play.